uses under 5% CPU world average. That's awesome. Okay, MongoDB does not replace all RDB or RDBMS. So what is fit or not? MongoDB not fit. MongoDB does not provide join and transaction function for performance. So, and MongoDB uses much data space than RDB because each record has field level data. For example, there are 3 records. 3 records has many fields name. So there is 3 ID fields. Now MongoDB uses 6 bytes to save field name. So I recommend should not use long field name. It's use much data space. Okay, what is fit MongoDB? Need a performance. Read write is fast, especially write is so fast. And need a scale out. So MongoDB provides master slave replication and replica set. Replica set, it is automatic failover. If master server is down, second server becomes master server automatically. Sharing, so separation of stored data. Okay, how to use MongoDB? Okay, get the data. This line is SQL, as you know well. So in MongoDB, we can use Mongo shell. Mongo shell. We can use this command, find command. So at first set the collection name is the blog, and set the first argument of find is condition. Second argument is field. It's easy to understand if we know about SQL. Okay, how about this? Oh, it looks similar some PHP programming. Okay, this field 1 greater than 3. So in MongoDB, we have to use Mongo operators. So the means greater than. And we can use sort function, skip function, limit function. It's easy to understand for me. Okay, there are some operators. So like this, we can guess what easily. Okay, we can use regular expressions in condition like this, and we can find in embedded object like this. So this object has also embedded object. This also embedded object has name and age field. So set like this. Use dot. It looks similar in Cake plugins way. Okay, I show you some demo of operation. Can you see?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. At first, we use new database, sample 1, and save this data. So this data has name field and lang and other field. Lang and other field embedded object. Okay, and save as a field. We don't have to prepare before saving data. So normally we create collection and database automatically. So there is sample one database, and sample one database has users collections. We save in users. I save in users collection. So let's find the data. Count the data. The two records. Okay. Find the data. So there are two records I saved. So one has array data, PHP and Perl. So other has embedded object, zip, and country. Okay, let's find this field like this. So we can only get one record. It's easy to use. And let's try finding embedded object at dot country equal Japan. Okay, we can get one record, country Japan. So first one is get. I use greater than operator. Like, okay, we can get over 200. Zip is greater than 200. This we can get. I can get this record. It's easy to use to operate. We know about the SQL. And last is update. Okay, update. First argument sets a condition, name equal ichikaway, and the second argument is update data. So now I use set operator for update zip field. So this set operator means only update this column. If you don't use this operator, all document is override. So okay, update the record and get less than 200. So we can get zip record. Zip is 1, 2, 3. We can update. I can update this field. So okay, I show you the. was set operator. Okay. This record only had a zip 1, 2, 3. So override. This record is overriding. Okay. Go to move on. There is a SQL to Mongo mapping chart on this website. I recommend to see it on the MongoDB.org website. Okay, MongoDB has indexing, B-tree index, like MySQL. Create index, we have to use ensure index function. So make index for title field. We can delete index and also create embedded document index like this. So create index background. In MongoDB, while creating index, MongoDB locks the document. I recommend to use this background option, making index. Okay, let me explain about two cool stuff of MongoDB. Geospatial index and capped correction. Geospatial index is calculate location data. We can use it after version 1.3.3. Geospatial index calculate location data. So set latitude and longitude. Sorry, this is Japanese. So I sometimes confuse which is latitude and longitude. So after saving location data, we can find closest location with some operators. Near operator sort data from closest to farthest point. So box is to find points within the rectangle. So center is to find points within the circle. Okay. So how to use it? So at first, insert the data. Log field has latitude and longitude data. Then make a index, geospatial index, set 2D. 2D means two-dimensional. Then we can find the point, find a specific point, and sort with near operator from this point. And box and center operator have to use within operator like this. Box operator have to set lower left and upper right point like this. And the center in center we have to set center point and radius. So this is a 0.1 degree. Okay, I show you some demo. Okay, saves. Switch the new DB and the save data with JavaScript like this. So I make 100 records now. check the data. Okay. Oops. Location label has some location data, one location data. We have now Mongo has 100 records. Okay, let's find let's make the index, geospatial index, and we can use some operator. Okay. Oh. Okay, sort from 3 and 3. Can you see? Sorry. Oh, from first record is 3 and 3, second is 2, next is 4, 1, 5, 0. So we can sort from 3 and 3, point of 3 and 3. Okay, next is get location data in rectangle. So 1 and 1, 2, 5 and 5. Okay. Okay, get 5 records in rectangle. And using center operator. Okay, we can get 5 records, location data. So it's easy to use calculate location data. So we can make some location data service easily with MongoDB. Okay. MongoDB has capped collection, creating fixed size collection. So we don't think about data space overflow. Age out data, so all this data is deleted when collection is full. So good for logging or caching or saving temporary data using like this. Okay, MongoDB attention. MongoDB has 32-bit and 64-bit version, but the 32-bit version cannot save data over 2 GB. I recommend to use 64-bit version. Okay, there are some MongoDB books. These books will be published soon, maybe 1 or 2 weeks later. Okay, move on how to use Mongo with PHP. There is a Peggle Mongo driver. So this is Apache license. Setup is very easy. Use Peggle command, Peggle install Mongo, then write this extension equal mongo.so sentence in php.ini file. So this is a good manual on this website. Okay. How to connect? So get the instance from Mongo object, then select database, then select collection, and we can use find or insert or update function method like this. So save data is array data. So insert data and update. First argument set condition. Second argument is update data. Okay. Okay. I talk about Cake and Mongo. MongoDB data source. I developed it since January 2010. This data source needs PHP 5, Mongo, Cake 1.2. I recommend use Cake 1.3. So there are some version. Version 0.3 needs set schema information to model schema properly. 0.3 has some test cases. Now we are developing 0.4. So 0.4 creates schema information from post data automatically. That's cool. And 0.4 data source switch to DB source. So we can see command log like SQL log. So most of 0.4 code provided by Andy Dawson. So huge thanks, 8076. Okay, what is Cake data source? So Cake data source links between models and the source. So like a DB or web API, we can get benefit of transparency. So we can use Mongo from model methods like MySQL. So data source connect to MongoDB and use some correction automatically. We don't care about it to use Mongo. Okay, Cake model method calls data source method. So model method find read method. Same method calls create or update method. It depends on existing data for update. So delete method calls delete method. So you have to prepare this method in data source. Okay, let's use setup is so easy. So change the plugin directory and git clone command and set in MongoDB directory and change database.php. Database.php is like this. So set a driver MongoDB source, and we can use any database name. This sample Cake Mongo 1 database. Okay, I show you some sample. So this sample contained in sample directory on GitHub repository. Okay, this is a sample application. We can see this MongoDB command log like SQL log. Okay, let's add the first data. Okay, we can save the data like this. Check the data. So use Cake Mongo 1 database. Okay. Okay, I got data. Title is ichikaway. This data. Okay, it's very simple application, and this is a post model. So latest version, we don't have to set Mongo schema properly because schema is created automatically. in MongoDB data source. And this is controller index action. This screen. So it's same using MySQL. So we can use post models find method. No, post model find method and set up parameter same as MySQL's one. Fields order limit page. Okay, easy to use MongoDB with this data source. You can use MongoDB like MySQL. We can also edit the data. Okay, data is updated. Okay, this is a simple example. Okay, I show you another sample 2. So let's make delete history data. Main data is stored in MySQL, so saved deleted records in history table. And after a while, I want to search history records with some conditions. So like this is a basic application using MySQL default schema. So how to realize with only MySQL? One way is copy schema for table. So like this. So delete data, when delete data, before delete method, get deleted data from MySQL and save the data into copies table. So it's a simple idea, but hard to maintain both schema. If I want to add a new column in default schema, I have to add a new column to copy schema as well. So it's so bad case. Okay, how about serialize deleted record and saving history table? I can only maintain one table, history table, but hard to search in history table because deleted record serialized. Okay, I show you MongoA. So this is a sample 2 application. So cake, there is a post table records, then save the deleted data into history collection. History collection has many tables, deleted records. So I can find many deleted records after a while. Okay, I show you the demo. This is a app model. This is app model. So before delete, get history, get deleted history and save delete history. Okay, we've got save delete history method. Make history model and call save method. Okay, right. We've got history model. History model use MongoDB with use dbconfig property. Okay, this is a sample application. this record is stored in MySQL raw. Okay. There's a post data and users data. Okay. Let's delete this record. Okay, I can delete it. Use cake Mongo to new database. Okay, I can get deleted data. So data field has deleted model data. So user model has this deleted records. So I can see email is my mail address. Let's delete post records. Okay. In MongoDB has new record. This is a post model. This is a delete data. Title is my name. So after a while, we can save many model data in one collection, and after a while, we can find history record like this. So post model name equal ichikaway. So I can get one record. So post model title ichikaway. It's easy to get it. Okay. Let's get users deleted data. Okay, I can get user deleted data. Email is my mail address. So this example could fit document database because each record can save different table records in one collection. So don't need prepare schema before saving data, and search easy in history collection after a while. So today I talked about these topics. So MongoDB data source, it's easy to use MongoDB from Cake. Thank you very much. Any questions?
Why do you use Mongo schema variable model instead of schema? The variable in Cake's model, there is a standard.
Cake model schema property.
Yeah. You could override the schema function or declare underscore schema and declare your database structure in Mongo.
So pardon?
Okay. You have a variable in your model. It's called Mongo schema, right?
Yes. Oh, I have some program to set model schema because in data source described method cannot get model schema property. So I use Mongo schema property instead of schema property. So that's the reason. But now we don't care about it because schema is created from Cake DB source, data source. automatically. So, but I recommend to set MongoDB schema property in your model, because like this. So we can know about what is current schema now. So sometimes confuse what is current schema. So this is we can use some memo for this property. Thank you. Is this okay?
Yeah.
Going to the geospatial, does that support sphere, or is it based off flat?
Yeah, flat.
Flat?
It's
Okay.
only flat. So
Do you know if
maybe latest version can latest version some fix the code. I don't know about that. Anything else? So thank you very much. Let's go lunch.